Seng Khasi College Spot Admission 2025. Admission opens for CUET and non-CUET candidates in the first semester 4-year undergraduate program for major courses in economics, education, English, history, Khasi, philosophy, political science and sociology. MDC and SEC courses are offered in commercial arithmetic and elementary statistics, culture and society, fundamentals of computer system, mathematics in daily life, philosophy of culture, cyber security and personality development. VTC courses are offered in mushroom cultivation, desktop publishing, food and beverages service, event management, Khasi traditional music, baking and confectionery, and beauty care. The college provides quality education, and the results of the 6th semester 2025 examination indicates this. This year's results includes a position holder in political science and more than 20 first division holders across many subjects. Admission will be in blended mode. For online admission, visit the college website at sengkhasicollege.in. Admission forms are also available at the college office.